Today, we are uncovering the story of Sambhaji Maharaj, a warrior, scholar, and visionary leader. From promoting Sanskrit literature to fiercely defending India against European colonizers, his legacy is one of courage and resilience. Let's dive into his remarkable journey. First, Sambhaji Maharaj wasn't just a warrior, he was a strong advocate for Sanskrit, a language in decline during his time. His work, Buddhbhushanam, written entirely in Sanskrit, focuses on governance and the qualities of a true ruler. Through this, he honored India's ancient knowledge systems, ensuring that the wisdom of the past was preserved for future generations. Second, Sambhaji Maharaj was also a master strategist, especially when it came to gathering intelligence. He established an efficient spy network to keep a close watch on his enemies, particularly the Mughals and European colonizers. This network provided crucial information on enemy movements, allowing the Marathas to stay one step ahead in both battles and diplomacy. His keen understanding of intelligence warfare played a key role in the survival and strength of the Maratha Empire. Third, Sambhaji Maharaj took his father Shivaji Maharaj's resistance against European colonizers a step further. While Shivaji laid the foundation, it was Sambhaji who aggressively confronted the Portuguese and other European powers. He launched attacks on Portuguese territories in Goa, ensuring that these colonial forces couldn't establish a stronghold along India's western coast. His bold actions showed his commitment to protecting India from foreign control. Despite the religious tensions of his time, fourth Sambhaji Maharaj was known for his secular outlook. He respected all religions and protected the rights of his subjects, no matter their faith. His policies promoted religious harmony, ensuring that the Maratha Empire remained united and peaceful, regardless of the diversity in beliefs. Sambhaji's commitment to tolerance was a testament to his forward-thinking leadership. Fifth, Sambhaji Maharaj's defiance against Aurangzeb is legendary. Even when captured and brutally tortured, he refused to bow down or convert to Islam. Instead, he challenged Aurangzeb's authority, calling out the atrocities committed by the Mughal regime. His unshakable spirit in the face of such cruelty became a symbol of courage and resistance, inspiring generations to come.